So my parents decided to come down to see our property renovation.
What do you think, John?
Long garden.
Huh?
Nice long garden. Have barbecue and party.
What do you reckon, Guarantee?
What do you got a shed at the back?
Lovely. Yeah,
It's upstairs.
Stop doing that nonsense, okay?
Gary doesn't like the smell of the brick, but I think it's our arse. Instead.
He's looking at what's in there.
Where is he?
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, there he is. Okay, say hi. And the intention was to help us, but Lizelle and her mum decided to go shopping. So according to Jonathan, me and mum went out shopping, which I believe that's false allegations. We were there helping in the renovation. I've got a video of these guys going shopping while we were doing the renovation. Wait, I'll play it right now. What is that rubbish? Well, me and John were working really hard.
A few moments later.
Bunga.
Bunga. Bunga. Only 1,000 more to go. Okay, just to buy some time, we're loading up some boards that are inside the skip over here. Oh god, what happened there? Sorry, my camera went funny. Taking up some flat boards from there and then popping them inside on the floor here, and we can load up all the bricks that are in here. Well, the bricks from the wall.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is why I like lads like this. I ask him to remove the bushes just here, but he goes the extra mile and he's doing the other bush as well. This is hard work. Here's a bit of a close-up. I managed to actually go through the engineering brick with the impact drill, and then it just snapped perfectly where I needed it. And now I'll be taking brick by brick, which should be generally quite weak. Drop it. Oh crap. Yeah. This is all weak as well. Wait. Shake back. Wait.
Bring that ass back like a
Okay. One brick at a time, it's like learning to fly. Oh. Look at that. One brick. Shit, this.
Pull it.
Cheers, mate. See, you need a helping hand.
Building control.
Good, I'll do it this way. Let me hammer it off. You can get the hammer butt here. Sorry, John.
Look at the size of the nails, mate. Like worms.
You got that in?
Yeah, I think
That's
so.
it. Open them.
Girls came back from shopping.
Finchley, yes, but it's closer.
Oh, she's on the toilet as well. She made her own little orange feet. Did it. Finally did it. Brick by brick. Brick at a time. And I had to make sure, because there's a lintel going for that window all the way down there to there. And then also another wooden lintel all the way from there to there. So I didn't want to disturb that brick, which is that one there. And I didn't want to disturb that engineering brick as well. Look at that. Nice one, isn't it? Guys, we actually enjoy doing these videos, and it's a way for us to document what we do and to look back on our past and kind of what we achieved, where we kind of can improve on, and etc. But it's mainly to help you guys. So we'd really appreciate it if you
Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, before we leave, if you have any questions regarding renovations or anything to do with property, we'll be happy to answer them.
In the comments below. See you guys soon.